有请沃尔沃汽车集团总裁兼首席执行官 Håkan Samuelsson 先生。Please welcome Mr. Håkan Samuelsson, President and CEO of Volvo Cars.
Good evening. I am Håkan Samuelsson, CEO Volvo Cars. I would like to welcome you to this very special premiere of the all-new Volvo XC70. The Volvo XC70 is a new type of car. It's not an electric car. It's not a traditional plug-in hybrid. It's our very first next generation long-range hybrid. This car, it drives like an electric car. You get the quick response, quiet ride, and it has fast charging. Everything you would expect from an electric car. But it has an ICE engine, a combustion engine, as a backup, so you never need to worry about range. It's simply an electric car with a plan B. Therefore, it's a perfect bridge to an electric future and an attractive addition to our product range. Especially important for the Chinese market. And that's why our first next generation plug-in hybrid is coming to China first. It was developed by Volvo in China according to our global brand, quality and safety standards. It's based on SMA, that is a new hybrid architecture, and I'm very glad to, for the first time, launch a global car here in China. But this car is not just for China. We are also planning to bring the XC70 to Europe. This demonstrates the high capability of our Chinese organization. We have made large investments here over the years. We have a strong presence with a global engineering hub, a design studio, 3 manufacturing locations, and a strong service network. China has grown to be the largest car market in the world, and it has also been Volvo's largest market for years. The competition is tougher than ever, but with a strong renewed product offer and strong partners, we are confident that we will continue our growth journey here in China. To sum up, a safe, premium, long-range hybrid with an intelligent personal experience, all packed in a tasteful Scandinavian design. That is a new Volvo XC70. Thank you very much. Cheers.
感谢 Håkan 先生，有请沃尔沃汽车集团首席商务官 Erik Samuelsson 先生。Please welcome Mr. Erik Samuelsson, Chief Commercial Officer of Volvo Cars.
Hello everyone, Daja Hao. As Håkan said, the XC70 is a new type of Volvo car. But why do we need it? And why isn't the current offer of electric cars, mild hybrids, and plug-in hybrids enough? The start point is to meet our customer needs and our aim to be a net zero greenhouse gas emission company by 2040. If we are to get there, we need to facilitate a lot more electric journeys. Fully electric cars, of course, offer so many advantages, not least in the driving experience, less vibrations, less noise, smooth acceleration, and much more. But the step from normal plug-in hybrid to a pure electric car has been too great for many people, especially in parts of the world where the charging infrastructure is still in its early stages of development. And as a human-centric company, we need to meet customers where they are, not where we wish they were. This means that as well as developing fully electric cars with longer range and faster charging, we also need to make cars for people that want all the benefits of electric driving, but do not want to worry about charging. Some people live in areas with less easy access to charging, and for others it's about a sense of freedom. Planning a family vacation, for example, is sometimes complicated enough without needing to worry about where you can charge your car. Already today, around half the distance driven by our current plug-in hybrid cars globally is done on pure electric power. But now we have the chance to significantly increase this. Because while many people don't tend to drive more than 50 kilometers on an average day, others regularly do much longer distances than so. And in all-wheel drive form, the XC70 gives you a large battery combined with 3 powerful electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. And these can take you and your family more than 200 kilometers. And if there are fast chargers on the route you're going, you can add 100 kilometers in around 15 minutes. Time for you to grab a coffee or a nice Swedish fika in the car. Or maybe you just decide that you don't want to stop for charging at all and continue on combustion engine power enabled by the XC70's 4-cylinder engine that is just right for this car. Looking at the new XC70, I think it will be clear to everyone that this is an innovative creation that inherits Volvo's genes, both on the inside and out. Our forward-thinking design philosophy comprehensively addresses evolving customer expectation. The exterior is modern and robust, a blend of our contemporary design cues, fronted by our signature Torus hammer lights with clean yet impactful surfacing, and a confident front end inspired by our latest fully electric cars. It has the look of the new Volvo. Inside the XC70, you get the Scandinavian living room that combines simplistic design and premium materials with smart storage for all your things, delivering that serene experience that is unique to Volvo cars. A serene experience powered by technology that we take great care in integrating seamlessly to be enabling, but not intrusive, and always with a very clear purpose. And as Volvo cars, the most important technology of all is safety technology. Safety is in our DNA. Since the 1970s, we've been building our safety knowledge based on real-world accidents research. 5 decades of continuous data collection and research have made us a leader in safety innovations to better protect people, and they continue to drive us forward towards our ambitions of 0 collisions. And as you'd expect, the XC70 is packed full of advanced safety features, designed to help you avoid getting into collision and help to protect you if the worst does happen, with a very strong safety cage as well as a well-rounded restraint system. On top of those, a wide array of radars, cameras, ultrasonic sensors help keep an eye on what's going on around the car, helping to protect both you and also other road users. And beyond safety, the XC70 comes with the latest user interface and intelligent features, including AI capability. It also comes with bidirectional capability to power your things when you're on the move, such as a grill or a kettle on a camping trip. And of course, it's designed to further improve as you live with it, with over-the-air updates enabling the introduction of new features over time. That is the new Volvo XC70, a new type of Volvo, the first of its kind, launched first here in China and planned to come to Europe in the future. An intelligent new electric car without any need to worry about range. Designed to make your every journey safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Thank you.